Hello friends, in this video we will solve noise problem for common source amplifier. We will find out input referred noise for this amplifier. So we know here, if we see output resistance R out is given by R parallel RO1. Say RO1 much bigger than R, then R out is given by R. Okay, now this noise, resistance noise and MOSFET noise, this two go inside this output resistance. So this is R out equals to R, and these two INR square plus IN1 square. So this is MOSFET noise, this is resistor noise, these go here. So here this is output noise for this amplifier. So V out and okay, so this is basically this is thermal, this is thermal noise. Output thermal noise is given by INR square plus IN1 square into R out, which is R. Okay, now at gate or input of MOSFET there is a VNF, which is VNF flicker noise. Okay, so from this to VIN, input thermal noise, given by V out n square divided by A square. A is basically gain of amplifier. In this case, with gain of amplifier is given by GM R parallel RO1. Say R much smaller than RO1, then gain is GM R basically. Okay, now VIN, this is thermal noise, given by V out n square divided by GM square R square. Okay, so here, which is VIN square equals to INR square plus IN1 square into R divided by, so okay, this will be here we are taking current in square, so resistance will also come in square. So this is R square, this will be GM square R square. So R square will cancel, so INR square IN1 square by GM square. This is thermal noise, and flicker noise is given by VNF square equals to KF WL COX into F. So total input referred noise, is given by addition of these two noises, INR square plus IN1 square GM square plus KF WL COX F. Now this is given by 4 KT gamma 4 KT so this will be 4 KT R by R plus this is 4 KT, okay, gamma will not come in resistor, 4 KT gamma. So this is current, so this will be GM, okay, divided by GM square, so this will cancel, plus kf WLCOXF. okay, so total input referred noise 4kT divided by gm square r plus 4kT gamma divided by gm plus kf WLCOXF. okay, so this is input referred to noise for common source amplifier. So here I would like to tell you, if suppose you have some amplifier, okay, and it has some load resistance RL, okay, so it has gain of A. For finding input referred noise, first just find out I into RL, which is V out IN into V out N. okay, now this V out N you divide with gain to get VIN. okay, so these terms are in square, so you should divide it by A square. okay, so this is the basically method to find out input referred noise. Thank you.